How to clear data cache on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear data and cache files on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, cache files are some of the temporary junk files that your phone or the app doesn't really need, but data files are actually important data files, just as how it sounds. If you clear the data for a specific app, everything is going to get resetted, such as if you're logged in, you're going to get logged out. If you've downloaded something, the download is also going to get removed. To give you a simple context of the idea, here you can see the Netflix app. So if I would like to clear the data and cache for this app, if I long press on it, I'll tap the eye icon to come to the app information page. This option is usually available on all Android phones. Now, if I just go to the storage option, you can see two options: clear data, clear cache. When I select clear cache, nothing is going to happen. My Netflix account is still logged in. I'm not logged out. Everything that I've downloaded is still there, because cache files, as I told you, are just temporary junk files, right? But what happens if you clear the data is that everything is actually going to get resetted. As you can see, it says all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases. So when you clear the data for this application, if you try to open it next time, you're most likely going to be logged out, and then you have to re-log in and even download everything that you've downloaded before again. So this is the difference between data and cache, and this is how you can clear data and cache for Android apps on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.